Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson here today to show you this 2019 Harris 230 Sunliner. This is 2019 that we have here. Got some great pricing on this particular boat. It is a tri-tune, so it does have the three tunes there, all 25-inch tubes. This is called the CWDH, so a center walk-through with dual helm seats. We've got some nice seating around here, storage underneath both of those. We've got some nice cubbies right in here. Got a couple cup holders, place for maybe your cell phone, other stuff. You got a removable cup holder that you can kind of put anywhere you like on the boat. Like I said, it has a dual helm seat setup, so both these seats swivel, both of them will recline forward and backward with nice armrests. On this side over here, you got nice cup holders. You got a cup holder down here. At the helm, this is a Fusion stereo system, so speakers with the Fusion head unit. As we come back here, we got another place to kind of hang out and talk and enjoy the weather. Again, seating with storage underneath all the seats. We do have our 12-foot bimini. It's in the down position right now. Obviously, it can be lifted all the way up. And this one does have the Mercury 115 horsepower engine with the ski tow bar, stainless steel ladder. This thing's pretty loaded up. Again, 2019 model. Got some great pricing on this boat. It is sitting right here in Rogers on our show floor, nice and warm. Come in and take a look. And as always, click the like button and click to subscribe to follow all our videos.